So for this guy, I'm going to go really dark. It's going to be an inky black night. I'm taking some black plasticine right from the pack, and that's just going to make everything else light up. Sometimes I go around the edges first and then fill in the middle. It takes a little bit of time to do a background, and we're going to have a moon. I'm going to make it a big round full moon, and to guess the size, I've cut a little paper moon right there. I'm going to take a pointy pencil and carefully trace around. So I've mixed some white and black clay to get a kind of a dark gray, but it's still brighter than the sky. Remembering where my moon is, and I'm just going to follow that circle shape. I might keep turning the board, and I'm going to spread it. It doesn't have to be really accurate, but it's about where that moon is going to go. And we just keep adding until we've gone all around the circle. And then with my fingers, I'm just going to soften it. Again, as we've done with other skies, it's almost like finger painting. And I'm going to take a piece of the cleanest white I can find. And remember, we have our paper plan to remind us how big we want the moon to be. There goes our moon. I have a paintbrush, and it's kind of round on the end, and I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to lightly press here and there into the moon. Some can be very light, some can be big. There, and it just kind of gives it a little detail. If the moon is out, there's probably some stars out. That same technique, and we have a round bit of gray. Let's put one here. And those are just circles. But once we put a little white dot in the middle, again, there maybe these are distant planets because they really glow brighter. And then, of course, you can also do little plain stars, just tiny little bits. But I think now I want to add something a little bit exciting to the sky. I'm going to make a meteor going across the sky. So I'm taking this bright, bright orange. I'm going to roll around a round ball of orange. I might stretch it out, and I'm going to put it about there. The meteor is going to streak across the sky. So I'm going to lay down that orange. It looks like a carrot, but now this is where it's always a little exciting. I'm going to take that orange and streak it flaming across the sky. I'm going to take a little bit of yellow. I'm going to add that yellow right about there. So we still see some orange around the edges. And one more time, very slowly. Let's take one more yellow. This is even lighter. Now we're getting to the core of the meteor where it's really hot. And we'll do the same thing again, a little bit brighter. And now we'll take a little bit of that white again. And this is the white hot center of the meteor streaking through space. Let's put in a spaceship. Let's make an alien. Let's put him right about there. I'm going to make like a cartoon spaceship because it's fun to make goofy stuff sometimes. First, I'm going to make the beam of light that he's sending down to Earth. And here I'm really using my imagination because I have not seen a spaceship. Maybe you have. But my imaginary spaceship is purple. That's his spotlight that he's going to be shining on Earth as he explores our planet. And his spaceship is going to be this really nice glowy purple. It's going to be like a sausage but pointy on both ends. A flying saucer, I guess you might call it. We will add some lights. Let's use that bright yellow. Little lights outlining his ship. Well, maybe one more. And of course, my alien is going to be green. I'm going to put his body right in the middle. He's driving this ship. And he's got one of those alien heads, I guess. You know, they're kind of a triangle shape. We'll put his little triangle head there. We'll give him 2 eyes. They might have 6, but I'm just going to give him 2. Very little kind of alien eyes. And I've rolled a skinny piece, and we'll just give him a It's like he's in some kind of clear glass bubble there, flying through space. And he's flying around. And I think we'll use something very pointy. I'm going to use a little pin, and we're going to make sure that he's a very happy, friendly alien. We'll give him a very tiny little smile. So there is a exciting dark night sky scene with some glowing effects and some imaginary things going on.